What's up, everybody? I'm gonna show you today how I made some money, actually a lot of spare money, just selling jerseys. I'm sure you've heard of, you know of a friend or a person that can get that NFL jersey for like $50 or whatever. Instead of paying that $200 for that authentic stuff, uh, yeah, well, it all comes from overseas. All of it does. So I'm going to show you a website I created that I'm redirecting like a lot of my clients to. Sorry, I say clients. It's a lot of people I know personally, but whatever. When they pay you money, it's whatever. Okay, so so this is just a brief rundown. I use the 49ers as my template. Uh, so I have some advertising that's free shipping, but I this also works for Google. So I've also had orders on Google. Uh, when people see like a George Kittle or like a really popular player, Jimmy G or whatever, you can connect this to Google. It's very strong in SEO. It'll show up in Google search results for the shopping section. So I mean I made a lot of money on Google as well as just direct consumer just in my area. So this is the 49ers template. Uh, this is what I created. I'm a web designer, so I'm not just some average Joe. This took a lot of time, took a lot of effort. Uh, so I'm just gonna run down it as quickly as I can. So I put in Jerry, available shop, blah blah blah. Promo code 99 and over. You can use any promo code you want. You can buy two get one free. All orders over say $200, you get 20% off. Um, Stuff like that. I put in some categories here that's going to be easy to do. Your social media links, those are super easy to connect. Chat feature, people, if they want to chat with you, they click that button. It'll go to your email saying, hey, someone's on your website, they want some information. Then you can start a conversation. Make a deposit. I put a PayPal button here. There's a lot of shady people saying, "Hey, I want this jersey." Maybe you're a jersey seller, um, and they never pay up. They don't put nothing down. I like to have 50% down, so you can always just be like, "Hey, go to my website, put 50% down, and then we're good." And I'll go ahead and place that order, and then you're good to go. Um, so here's the rundown of just, how this shop works. This is just you can get rid of this filter as well, but I like having it, whatever. So let's click on Jimmy G. You'll get the title. You can select the size, quantity. You can put the details, description, um, shipping. Pretty simple. So let's go back to the home page. And that's pretty much how every jersey is going to look like, unless you put different sizes. I'm sorry, different colors, in which you can do like white for or white home, and red for. I think it's actually it's red for home and then white away. Um, you can do like Pro Bowl stuff like that, different options as well. So I got a subscription box here. Enter your email, and then this will be saved into your back end, where you can actually send out newsletters and stuff like that if you are that big of a company. I put in this: don't have a jersey you need, let us find it for you. So there's just the first and last name, email, phone, but this is how simple it is, guys. So this is the back end. So let's scroll down here. Say you want to add like a player that they want to this form. You can add as many fields or questions that you want. So I'm going to go to basic fields, short text. I mean, it's very simple. Everything's click and drag. It's anyone can use this, man. You don't need to know code or nothing. Super simple. So I'm gonna click on this field that I just added, And I'm going to put player requesting. And then you can make this required or not. I mean, everything's super, super simple. You can add another field for like color, size, and then you know, you'll get this email and it'll go directly to the inbox, to whatever you put it in. So say you want to manage the email where it goes to, you can put it to multiple emails. You just go to settings, email notifications, and then put in your email. Okay, now let's say you don't want the 49ers. So let's say you have a T-ball team, or you know, for or a baseball team or whatever. But for just you know, tutorial reasons, I'm going to use the Steelers. Okay, so let's change out the 49ers. I've uploaded a couple images already, and let's go ahead and put the Steelers. You'll see it's a little cropped out. So that's going to be easy to fix. We'll just resize it. And then resize it again. Sorry. I think the editor's a little buggy. There we go. Instead of Faithful Shop, we'll just put Steelers Shop. And let's match the colors to the Steelers. So let's do yellow. And then we'll do, for this strip right here, we'll just do black. Instead of the Niner logo, we're going to replace that with the Steeler logo. There we go. And then instead of Jerry, we're going to put, I think we have Juju Smith-Schuster or Jerome Bettis. We'll do Juju. Well, we had Hines Ward too, but. Okay. So his head's cut off, but that's easy. We'll just hit crop and then drag him down. There we go. Instead of Faithful, we'll just put Steelers Shop. This is kind of 49er gold, so we'll use that. Pittsburgh yellow. And then obviously, if I had time for demo purposes, I'd change all this stuff out with the, you know, Steeler players. But we went over that. It's pretty easy. You just upload the product, title it, give it a description, change you know, give it color options, stuff like that. Very, very, very simple. If you can add an attachment to an email, super simple. Here's the subscribe box again. Jimmy G. Let's go ahead and replace him with Jerome Bettis since we're doing the Steeler theme. So the bus is super huge. So obviously he's hella big. Let's crop him down. So there we go. And then we're going to scale him down. Hit the check mark. Pull him down over here. Let's pull this strip up since there's a lot of extra space. And then we're good. So we kind of have a Steeler themed shop already. That easy. Except for just replacing your products. I mean, that's how easy it is, guys. If you want this template, I mean, in the description, I'll send the link to where you can get it. It'll be very cheap at first. So I suggest getting it very quick before the price goes up. There's also a back end for your clients or customers where they can, sign up, manage their pass orders. You can put in their tracking numbers to find where, where's my jersey at. You can go log in, say, hey, this is where it's at. As long as you put in the tracking number. If you use like United States Post Office, they can manage their addresses. Super user-friendly platform. And like I said, if you have any trouble, you can always email me. My email is info@johnadamswebdesign.com. And yeah, like I said, man, let's make some money together, guys. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Later.